So for the final part of lesson 9, you'll be making an animation of your own. So in exercise 14, they want us to add images and create sprites and assign images and set up a draw loop. So we'll go ahead and do that first. Just set up a static image or a non-moving image. So let's go ahead and I'm going to pick a background from here, and I'm going to choose the floating grass. That'll be my background. Let's get some kids in there. Let's get this happy girl here, and let's get some more. Got this boy that seems pretty happy. We'll grab him too, and we will do, let's just do that, those two. And then let's also add some other things. I'm going to go to food, and we're going to add ice cream. I'm going to add a cupcake. And what else can we add? Crab soda. So we'll add all those three. And then we'll go back over to the code tab. Okay, so we'll need to add those sprites, create the variables for them. So we'll do that here, var sprite. So I've got the background, I've got the two kids, and then I've got three junk food. So let's go ahead and call the first one background and set the animation to floating grass. Then we'll do the next sprite. Let's say girl, and let's put her maybe around maybe 50 and 350. And we'll go ahead and set her animation. There's the excited kid. Okay. And then we'll say boy. We'll set his animation and set his location as well. Let's say, let's go 350 and 350. Boy will be the other kid. And then we'll set some ice cream. Remember not to put spaces in between your variable names. And the ice cream can start at 0. Now let's say 100 and 0. And then we'll have the soda be at 200 and 0. And let's go ahead and set those animations as well. The ice cream is going to be set to ice cream. Soda is going to be set to soda. And then we'll have a cupcake at 300 and 0. And we'll set the animation for the cupcake. And then we've got our sprites in there, and we've got our images assigned, so we just need to put it all in here. So I'm going to say world, draw sprites, and let's see what it's looking like. We're missing something. Oh, I forgot to really change the name of this. Yeah, ice cream. There we go. Let's try this again. and everything's a little too big, but I'll fix that in a minute. So let's go ahead and change some sizes. So sprites, come down here. I'm actually going to get rid of this debug console so I can have some more room. So sprite.scale, let's see what scale we want to change. We want to change the ice cream to 0.1. Let's try the other ones as well. Cupcake scale, do the same thing, and same with the soda.scale. So we're changing the scale, which means the size is going down on these. Let's go ahead and refresh it and see. Okay, maybe that's a little too small. So go 0.2. Okay, that's better. And then we're going to make the children smaller as well. So let's go ahead and fix those. I'm going to just do 0.2 for now. See if that is sufficient. There we go. Maybe a little bigger. So you can just kind of play with the sizes if you need to. Okay, so there is the start of my scene. I don't have any animation yet. It's just a still scene. So we'll go ahead and finish, and then we will add more in the next one. Okay, for this one, it says to add some movement. Identify the sprite properties you will want to change and update those properties using the counter pattern. So what I want to do in this, if we look at our scene right now, we've got a cupcake, soda, and ice cream at the top. I've got these kids that are happy. I want these to fall down from the sky and maybe spin around at the same time. So what I can do is go to my sprite properties. I've got my sprite.y. I'm going to change my Y position on them. And we'll do this for 3 of them. And I'm going to say ice cream dot y equals ice cream dot y plus 1. And then we'll do the same for the soda. Soda.y equals soda.y plus 1. And then same for the cupcake. Cupcake.y equals cupcake.y plus 1. Okay, so the cupcakes should be going down the screen, or the cupcake, soda, and ice cream should be going down the screen. Let's also change the let's look at that real quick, and then we'll change the rotation. Awesome. Okay, kids are happy because junk food is raining from the sky. So let's go ahead and change the rotation on those as well, because I want them to spin around just to make it a little more exciting. So we'll say ice cream dot rotation equals 5. So 5 degrees at a time, and we will do the same for the others. Cupcake dot rotation. Let's do -5, so it'll spin the other way, and then, or actually, make soda equals ice cream. So we have to, so it'll keep changing the rotation. We have to say ice cream dot rotation plus 5, not just 5. Same for soda. Soda dot rotation equals soda dot rotation minus 5. I'm going to go backwards on the soda rotation, and then we'll do the cupcake last. Cupcake dot rotation equals cupcake dot rotation plus 5. And let's try running this. Okay, so they're falling from the sky as they rotate. And then let's have the kids go across the screen as well. So I'm going to add some properties to change for the children. So Sprite.x, we're going to move them sideways only. We're not going to have them go up and down. So we'll do girl.x equals girl.x plus 2, and let's say boy.x equals boy.x minus 2. So they'll be going in different directions. And let's run it. Awesome. Okay, so that is pretty much all we need to do for this. So we've got a couple different things happening, the rotation on the junk food and the kids running across the screen. And it's really up to you what you want to do as far as the scene goes. Just make sure you have multiple sprites and add a couple different counters to it where things are changing each time it goes through the draw loop, such as the rotation, the size, or the X and Y position.